It was night time, and Carletto was sleeping peacefully in his bed. But then, little repetitive sounds started to arrive from the kitchen. Carletto first opened one eye, and then the other, and then, listening, sat up in bed. Some dishes had been left in the kitchen sink. Now the tap was dripping, and the drops of water falling on the plates sounded like tiny drums. Tum, 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 tum. Carletto put on his slippers and got out of bed, yawning. So sleepy. But how? Carletto walked slowly into the kitchen, turned on the light, and saw little water drops happily chasing after one another, flinging themselves from the tap and diving into some water in a glass. They were playing and having a good time, laughing and laughing. They dived out of the glass onto a plate and sounded like crystal. Ping, ping, ping. Ping, ping, ping. Poor Carletto. He could never fall back asleep with all that noise and needed to do something to make it stop. And so he decided to try to close the tap better. But as he moved closer, a little water drop called out to him. "Hey, hey, you up there?" Carletto looked at her in amazement and rubbed his eyes. Maybe he was dreaming. Was the water drop talking to him? "Yes, you. You are big and tall. I can see that, but you aren't really thinking of ruining our fun, are you?" said the little water drop. And a moment later she leapt in, immediately followed by some of her friends. Tum, tum, tum. Carletto could not believe his ears. He shrugged his shoulders, pretended it had not happened, and moved towards the tap. "Hey, hey, didn't you hear, my friend?" said another little water drop, peeping from the tap. "Don't you like our music?" Carletto was left speechless.